Welcome to how to, and now we'll be setting up the audio settings to go with the display capture. So if you want to give commentary over your video, this would be the way to go about it. So in our previous video, we added the display capture for the screen recording. Now we're going to add the audio. So what we'll do, we'll go through the settings and we're going to go and do it with AI so you get a better sound if you're unsure on how to set the mic up. So as before, where we had the panes here, we're going to go to where it says sources, and you'll click the plus, and then you'll go to the audio capture, should be here, and then you'll select what you would require. So if it's like your internal mic on your laptop, for instance, you'll select that. I can't do that because it will take the mic off. But once you've selected your mic from this option, we're then going to move on to the filters. Now, I've already set the filters up here. But what we'll do, we'll go to the settings. And we're going to go to filters. So I've right clicked on the audio input capture 3 there, and then I've gone to filters. So as you can see the settings here for the filter, what I did was just ask AI which filter. So when you look at it here, all this will be blank, and you'll select the plus option here, and this is where you would select what you need. So I would go on to AI, and this is how I did mine, would be to just ask it what's the best settings. Can you give me the best settings for the audio capture on OBS for the audio filters? So like you see here, it says noise suppression, and it gives you the option what to select there. As you can see, the RN noises which I selected. Then you go to noise gate, and you'd add that from here, and you just add noise gate, as you can see. But mine's already selected, so if I click there, and it just means moving these sliders, it's saying 40 to 35 on the close threshold, on the open threshold 30 to 25, and you just keep going through. As you see, compressor here, I just then again selected what settings it's told me to put, the limiter and the VST there. I found this been the best use of getting the filter correctly. I've always struggled to get my voice the way I'd like it on there, but once you've done that, then you can just alter the settings where you feel the need to. For me, I think it works good, so I just leave it like that. That brings us to the end of the video. If you like the video and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.